All right, we only have a minute and a half. Daily bullish, 4 hour bullish, but we're at the top of this range and daily previous daily support. So 1 hour is about to close bearish, and we're closing back below this previous 4 hour level. I'm looking for sales. We have a minute for this candle. I want to see how this closes, and then I will make a decision from there. Stops would probably be 24 times 10, 48. So 20 micros. I do want to see how this closes though. The weaker or the stronger this closes bearish, the more confident I am. I want to see it close either really weak, or I want to see it close below the support. Whoa, look at that. That's nasty. Previous 4 hour. Wow, look at that. That is nasty. Closed right above last second, which is good for us. Because that way the next 15-minute, if it can close bullish and then bearish, would be nice. Or if we, I mean, yeah. Closed above though, so it's not valid. I would need to wait for a 15 now. And that's also the 1 hour, the 30. I need a 15-minute close. This is a nice liquidity grab. So if the 15-minute does close bearish, or if this one closes bullish and then bearish below, it would be nice. It would be nice. Definitely. Or we could look for buys from here. Only thing with buys is top of the range that we're coming from. 4 hour is bullish. We'll see. We'll see. Just not the cleanest. Honestly, I'd rather look for buys up here. Definitely look for buys up here rather than from down there. This is just not clean. Also, I don't have chat pulled up if there's anyone in it. Also, I don't have chat pulled up if there's anyone in it. Also, anyone in it. So yeah, my sell idea would kind of just be playing the top to the bottom. And if I want to take buys from down here would be nice too. Buys from down here to get back up. But for now, I'm just waiting for above here or below here. 1 hour did close strong bearish. If this wants to pop up, we have a nice buying range above. gold, what I'm waiting for. I mean, we did just tap a daily support. Daily's bullish, 4 hours bearish. So, what am I waiting for? This 1 hour close strong bearish. If I'm gonna take buys, I need to see a 15-minute bullish, bearish, then close back into this range for me to take a buy. And if I want to look for sells, I want this to close bullish. Same thing, but just flipped. Bullish and then close below the support for sells. We have a nice selling range as well. Let me see if there's any 5-minute obstruction. Yeah. Nice selling range. So, I mean, we'll see. Do we want to break down today? It would kind of be supporting my idea of selling from the top of this trend. You know what I mean? What we've seen is a pullback, change of structure. This was nice. I actually took this. I'm tripping. Pullback, change of structure to sell back down. Pullback, change of structure. Same scenario here, right? Clean range, sell back down.
Today I sat at the chart for 2 hours and did absolutely nothing. Not because I was lazy, because I didn't see any positions. And that is a position. Not taking a position because nothing follows your plan is a position. And that is something that I used to struggle a lot with. So I'm totally fine with sitting at the chart today for 2 hours and doing nothing, because I know long term that will pay me. So if I did something that didn't follow my plan, I'm more than likely going to lose. Today I sat at the chart for 2 hours and did absolutely nothing. Not be- Today I sat at the chart for 2.
I finally broke the fucking curse after 7 losses.
We are tapped. 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 tapped in.
Damn, look at that. Yeah, NQ might want to pop up here and follow that daily and 4 hour being bullish. It might want to pop up. We'll see. We'll see. I wouldn't be surprised because this is pretty strong. Just as a candle alone. But I mean, anything could happen. We'll see. But it does look like it wants to pop up. I think with the Fed speaks tomorrow as well. Usually doesn't affect Asian that much. Trump on Iran, they are in big trouble, whatever. No one cares, bro. Yeah. You got the Fed speaking tomorrow. Yeah, this overall trend is definitely pointing a little more down. I don't think I don't want to see buys up until above here. Or at least, let me see. Above here. We could trade to that resistance. Because, I mean, like, yeah, I just don't want to be buying into all this downward momentum. You know what I mean? Like, this is all pointing down. And if we're going to buy, I want to get into a cleaner area. That being this area to get to this resistance. That's what I would like to see. And like I said, 15-minute bullish, then bearish, close below. This support is pretty A+, bro. Yesterday, I took the same exact scenario, right? Remove this line. This pretty much looked damn near the same. We had a support, close below, top wick, break the low, clean range to the left. Would be the same scenario here. If we can get a bullish candle, bearish, close below the support, clean range to the left, we could take some sells back down. And we have our bias to support that idea. Yeah, like I said, NQ daily and 4 hour bullish, so it looks like it's starting to line up. So if this can close bullish, bearish, bullish again, close back in here, it's like the same setup I explained here, just flipped.
We are tapped in.
We will see.
Press lock. You still recording me? No shit, dumbass. So you look like a fucking them donuts at the store. Them donuts you like with a Chico stick. All them donuts. The donuts. Bro, you look like a donut in the white pack.
Brandon and I went to the Bright.
What the fuck? Hmm.
It's okay. I have a thing for. I have a thing for 3-inch penises.
What the fuck?
It's just what I'm looking for.
Why nobody tell me that you gotta do your own movies? You get a My gym bros at physique check, nigga. My gym bros at physique check, nigga.
Whoa, 15-minute close the Bev. We just need some 5-minute structure, okay? Some 5-minute structure. Ooh, shit. Look at that pullback. Yeah, like I said, we want some 5-minute structure, okay? 5-minute structure as in a pullback. I can't just take it on this 15-minute closing above, because look how steep that shit is. My stop loss would have to literally be this whole fucking... If I enter break a high, it would have to be this whole thing. And that's pushing past our range. And it's like, do I expect this? Low-key, I do expect this to push past it, but I would want to optimize for a smaller stop loss. Yeah. We do have a lot of good range, though. Not gonna lie. Excuse me. But yeah, I need some 5-minute structure. So if this can close like weak bearish back above, that was a nice liquidity grab too. If this can close weak bearish, I could actually run current candle stops. Enter and break of that high. I don't know why it lags every time I switch it. That's a lot of volume though. I like that. Oh, and look. Hold on. That setup I was talking about might come. Oh, shit. Need this 15 to close bearish below. I have a nice selling range down here. So if this can close below this line, we do have space, right? I wouldn't mind a bigger stop loss with gold. We got a nice 1 hour close below daily support. We have a nice retest of the previous structural point. Now if we can close below, it would be sick. $33. All right, 1 second. 33 times 2. 15. This needs to close weak bearish. 15. Honestly, I'm thinking about just passing one account and then I was gonna copy trade, but worst case scenario, I lose today. I lose both chances to make any improvement on an account. So this has to close weak bearish, like I said. Closes bullish, I can't take it. Weak bearish, then a bottom wick, enter, break a high. And it has to close above. Okay, cool. That's a pretty good candle. So now I can enter, break a high. Make sure that level's correct. Yeah, it is. With current candle stops. We already have the 15 above. We just needed a stop loss. Now that we have a stop loss, right, we can finally try to target this, right? Continue that volume that we did have. Look at that 1 minute. Yeah, give it some room. Nice bottom wick. So if this could break the high, I'm interested. Gold's looking nice as well. If it's the last 1 minute, I'm gonna remove my buy stop. I really want it to break this high though. I don't want it to just nip or wick above. That's why I have my buy stop a little higher. So we're gonna see right now. And we got 7 minutes for gold, so. And we have 2 different accounts. So if I'm in this trade, I have another account to trade the other setup.
A year, maybe 2 tops.
I'd say a year.
Really? Until you gotta get some fierro, Pops. Damn, you don't sit down, Pops. You don't hold this shit down? Hell no. A year?
But here's the thing, like, I think if you're asking personally, it depends on the reason. Like you're scamming, like you know it's wrong, like you're doing stupid shit, and you're like putting your freedom on the line, and you don't give a fuck about me and like leaving me behind. Like there's only so much at stake.
Still good 1 minute structure. Let's see, 15. All right, I'm gonna move this and I'm gonna wait for this close. Because I don't want it to break the high and then close weak, right? Let me calculate again, 33. Yeah, 15 micros. So I could wait 38 seconds to not risk a funky ass trade, right? Because this right now could wick up, close below. Because you know, before candles close, usually you see a spike of volume. and that spike of volume could be in any direction, and then wick you in, close below, and invalidate your trade, right? Because if this closes below this line, it invalidates it. I would need for the next one to close above. Okay, cool. So now, since it closed below this line, well, actually, no. Technically, I could still take it. My bad. Because the 15-minute closed above. Let me see. How's the 1 minute look? Mm. 15-minute already closed above. 5-minute rejection wick. Close below. Trying to decipher this real quick. Hold on. That has a bottom wick. I've never seen price do with this though. Long rejection wick, short wick. Low-key, it might be worth waiting for the next candle. Yeah. It might be worth it because like 4 more minutes, right? Okay, I missed the move. Okay. I don't. I get a 30-minute close above with it, right? And I'll get a 5-minute change of structure. So I'll be down to wait. If it just pushes without me, hey, I'm fine with that, bro. Ooh, shit. Gold might be cooking some shit. Hold on. Okay, that's a juicy ass setup. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see how far this is gonna push, right? We do have a 5-minute support here. Ooh, NQ and gold lining up at the same time. Which one comes first, bro? If this closes, I look, you want this to close below for the simple fact that gold is cooking right now. Both of them are about to close with a setup. Now it's a matter of which one is better, right? Ooh, and I'm kind of liking gold more. I'm not gonna lie to you, cuz. But NQ looks nice too. Ooh, shit. Daily bullish, 4-hour bullish, 30, 15. I'm low-key trying. I think I might stick with gold. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie. If we'll see. I might have to split screen this bitch. Hold on. Wait a minute. $130. Oh, there's a previous 30-minute here. It's previous though. I'm not really too worried about it. I might want to see it close below that though. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. Oh yeah, definitely. I want to see it close below here. Probably can't see it. So I actually might look at NQ more now. Yeah. 33. Oy, decisions. I'm gonna have a buy stop ready here. And I'm gonna have a sell stop ready here, just in case this closes below. And whichever one comes first is whatever one comes first, bro. And it looks like it might be NQ, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, alright. I need a bottom wick after this closes. Yep, there it goes. This is a nice setup. You might think this would be a doji candle, but this 30-minute closed above this previous daily support. Daily's bullish, 4 hours bullish. 15-minute close week bearish. This is like a long any day in my setups, or out of all my setups. This is a long any day for surely. It's called a setup 3. I still think, and no, I didn't get the 5-minute close above, but I still think breaking this high, we get some kind of push. Because look at that long retest candle to close weak bearish. Now we're getting a bottom, nice bottom wick. So if this could break this high, it looks nice. Gold didn't end up closing how I wanted it to either. So if this next 15-minute candle could close below, it would be valid. We did get a 30-minute closing below daily support. This might just dump. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let's see if we can break this high within the next 2 minutes. Because if it's the last 1 minute, I'll just wait for the close above on the 5. Or I'll wait for the 5-minute close. Yeah, that's unfortunate. If this dumps now, I mean, it's just not a part of my setup. But like, for 15 minutes is a lot of time on this volume, bro, for a setup. I'm not gonna lie. Nice bullet structure, bro. We have had at this area, we struggled here before, but we've crossed through it twice. That's why I'm not too worried about it. I want to wait for this last 1 minute, see how it closes, because I don't want to get wicked in. And then a shitty closure. I don't want it closing below structure. I want it to stay above this previous daily support. Gold trying to break down now. Yeah, man, shit. See how this closes. Still closing above bottom wick. Okay. Gonna keep my buy stop here. Still respecting that daily support. And we're above this 4-hour too. So we're above a level, you know what I mean? We're still holding strongly above this level. So if we break this high, I anticipate a pop. Perfectly respecting these levels actually. It's kind of doing that flag pattern that I don't really like that much. It could be unpredictable sometimes. Loki might be worth running bigger stops here. Not gonna lie. Still haven't got triggered, bro. I'm surprised. And that 15-minute candle's about to come. 7 minutes. So, I mean, we'll see. It might be worth waiting for the 15. We already have a 30, but is it worth it to wait for the 15? Yeah, our next 1 minute structural point is here. Low key might make that my stop loss. Yeah, it looks like it might want to break down. So I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute close. Patience is a virtue. I low-key think it might be worth waiting for the 15, if I'm being honest. If I'm being so honest. I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute close though. See how it closes, and then if it still stays above here, I'll keep my buy stop. If not, then I don't. Yeah. Let's see how this last 30 seconds looks. I need it to still stay above this line. If not, then I'll wait for the 15. I'm not tripping. Yep. All right. Cool. So now I gotta wait for a 15-minute close, which would even be a better setup if this closed above here. Also looking at gold. It low-key might be more worth it to just run big stops. Target this as a whole, right? I think I might do that. Got 3 minutes. Oh, yeah, it's gonna look nice. If NQ could close above that resistance. Might have to split screen it again, bro. My shit lagging. I think it's worth waiting the 2 minutes here. Honestly. It might just go without me, but I don't want this to wick me in and then close below, bro. I've had that happen so many times. I don't even want to do that. Like, I'll wait a minute and a half for an even better setup. Honestly, NQ looks like the one right now. Gold, if I want that, I need volume, and it might take a little longer because the stops are literally like huge. NQ looks like more of an in and out situation. So, fuck, dude, it's a hard decision. Hard decision. Jesus. I kind of hope one doesn't give a setup. I low-key hope this closes below. I'm not gonna lie. To give me an excuse to, or I hope this closes above to give me an excuse not to take one. 157. Six. So I'd have a 6 micros here. And then I would have 15 micros here. Okay, NQ gave the setup. Gold didn't give it. It closed above. Nice, 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 nice. Ooh, this is looking nice, dude. This is looking fucking nice. Nice bottom wick too. Oh my god. This breaks this high, bro. I swear if this doesn't play out. I mean, it's probabilities at the end of the day. Yeah, gold. That invalidated my shit. It didn't close below this previous 30. That was in a pretty important level for me. Yeah, I'd love to see this break this high, bro. Nice setup. Yeah, so the daily's bullish. 4 hours bullish. We're sitting above a 4-hour resistance. We are above a previous daily. We're above a previous daily support. 30-minute closed above. 15-minute change of structure. 5-minute change of structure. Still respecting this. I think breaking this high, we get a fucking pop. I think we'll get a push back up to this resistance at least. We break this high. We'll see. So I am bullish on the day. And as well as a liquidity grab from this 4-hour level with the change of structure now, I think this would be nice. Let's see, let's see, let's see. I'm gonna wait for this last 1 minute. I'm gonna wait for this last 1 minute. Nice. Got a bottom wick. Oh yeah, this is looking nice. Can we break this high, bro? Struggling to break this high. Have a 5-minute change of structure with that, and an extra 5-minute candle. Bottom wick on this candle being made. 1-minute structure is there. Can we get it, bro? What are we doing? What are we doing? This is A+.
Order filled.
Shitty ass fill. Whatever. There you go, bro. Enter the break of that high. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. What's gold doing? I expected more of a pop. And now I'm thinking it might be worth it to wait for the hour. With the hour close would be even better. So I want to see if I can get out an entry. Because this is just not going how I wanted it to. I'm not going to lie. Oh, here. Don't do it to me, bro. Don't do it to me, bro. Brev. I'm trying my hardest, bro. This closes below the daily support. I'm gonna just get out.
Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna exit and wait for the hour. Okay, I'm gonna exit and wait for the hourly. Still have like 550 to play with today. I just expected us to pop already, right? And I could wait 5 minutes for an even better setup and possibly could run even further. I just don't want it to be one of those situations where now it's because it didn't give the pop initially, it's waiting for that hourly open to give any volume. And I don't want it to just flip back in this direction, right? Change the structure and then continue back down. If this can close strong bullish, it would just look better. So was that 0.4? 15-minute S1. Bullish. Bias. Close. 5-minute. Close. Support. Closed early to break. For. Middle. And it engulfed this previous, right? So if I can, even if it like runs without me, I think I did the smart thing. Fuck you. See what gold's doing. Gold's a little spooky, but it is the 1 hour close. I low-key might want to wait for a pullback. The stops are just too deep. It could just dump, but I could live with that. Yeah, this is what I was talking about though, right? I'd rather just wait. 550. 43. Yeah, I would love to see a pullback or like a weak bullish. No way it closes back above here, right? That'd be sick. See, 1 hour, 30 closed bearish, 15 closed bearish, still respecting the 4 hour. I need a 15-minute close above now, right? This is what I was talking about, because now the likelihood of this coming down and sweeping this low is a lot higher. Because a 15-minute change of structure, right? Rejecting the top. Like I said, I'm bullish on the day, so 1 hour still closed bullish, but I need a 15 now. Yeah, I don't really trust this alone. I need some kind of pullback and then a close below.
Most guys have the rock.
It's being reported on in the last hour that the voice of Optimus Prime, Peter Cullen, has sadly passed away at the age of...
My brain
Did you know there's a beach in California where the sand isn't sand at all? It's made of glass. It sounds unreal. Like some...
At what point do you think someone should quit? That's for you to answer yourself, bro.
This might be the most
Got that with this. New at Costco this week. 3-foot-long holiday tree pops, gingerbread cookies, Florentines, and chocolates. 29 assorted varieties. 37 servings. $19.99. Lotus leaf pancake cake mooncakes. With double salted.
Today's the last day of these things.
Because now we also created a 30-minute resistance. So 15 close above. If it pushes without us, shit. Whatever. Get up on my trap house. See, either this closes bullish, next one closes bearish for me to take a sell, or this one closes with a long rejection wick, rejection daily support, and closes weak bullish. Then I can take a break a low, current candle stops. This is what I was worried about. And I mean, it didn't even break the low. I wouldn't be triggered anyway. Low key. This wouldn't be crazy as a sell. You can use this as a stop loss. Let's see how this closes. $600. I don't think that's crazy. If it full retraces and breaks this low. That's a nice top wick. We have the 1 hour bearish, 30 bearish, 15 change of structure, bearish, close below here. This could easily be a fake out, break this low to give the continuation. We'll see. NQ. Moving a bit sideways, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, if this is the fake out, would be nice breaking this low, bro. So if this could flip, bro, I could imagine us breaking this low and just giving a continuation. Also a perfect retest of that daily. Okay, I don't like how it rebroke its own high. Yeah, this candle will have to close below here. For me, it's stab a sell. Still waiting on NQ.
That was mud and water. It's a mixture. Nobody's ever seen anything quite like that. We're very NASDAQ. What the fuck is this?
Something right to me, how about for something right to me, how about for
Alright, so
What's my opinion on Blueface? Honestly, girl, this motherfucker be alive 24 hours of the day. Like, his whole life is streaming. But honestly, he doesn't give a fuck about his supporters. Like, he just does it for the money. And I don't understand how people be falling in love with him. Like, he's so ugly to me. He looks wrinkled up. Like, he's hard to look at. Oh wait, but oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I'm getting too honest. Like, because I know what's my opinion on Blueface? Honestly, girl.
In trading, being a perfectionist actually backfires. You have to learn how to be a perfect imperfectionist. Because the thing is, the markets are so dynamic that you can have this ever happen to you, per se, right? Let's say you're in the money, and instead of taking profits or taking some contracts off, you're shopping profit, it reverses and you don't make anything. But have you ever done that?
Definitely, if this closes above. If this 15 closes above, oh man, here's that volume. Yeah, I can't take that. Can't take that. Can't take that. I need this 5 minute to chill here. If the idea plays out, it plays out. I'm not really tripping. Look at that, bro. Holy shit. Exactly why. If it broke this low, bro, I would have been cooked right now. his previous level it's sitting at. I'm not really too worried about it though. I'd rather wait too because look with this little formation we've been having. New high, pullback, new high. I want it to respect this. Every time we came back down, it engulfed the previous candle. Looking want it to stay here.
Second trade, plus 1 to 1, plus 1 to 1.5. I trail into profit and I collect.
Sonitas que vienen en.
That's a deep ass retest. Imagine it closed weak bullish here. I don't even know if there's enough range for that. 176. Shit.
I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. This is probably some of the funniest shit I've ever seen in my life, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'd lie to you, bro. I was trying to stay away from this nigga in anything related to him, because at some point, you feel me? I bro, what y'all talking about? Honestly. Hey man, I got 3 biggest comp box in the game into a penny. One, Fonches, you know, everybody know that Fonches, they got market. Ain't no reason, bro. That's big against the Fonches. She like, no, we're good. Dude, I was even talking to you. The best way to kind of is just, you're talking to find shit, include Zion Williamson into the conversation. So Aaron Donald does not feel left out when you're trying to spit against Fonches. She's not going to be fresh in her friends to do the combo and go somewhere else. Get the combo is all 3 of y'all, not just you and her. So the 2 men, the dude that gets no play. Everybody knows that one dude that kicks everybody else because he gets no play. I remember I went to the club one time, I was getting some fine shit number. This dude gonna walk up to me saying, damn, stick, 2 on everything in here. Bro, shut the fuck up. Worry about what I'm doing. You need to worry about phone.
Yo totalmente gratis.
What?
Oil? Oil? That's a crazy ass candle. Is it really about to close below here? 176 point stops. Let me see what stop loss looking like. In 48. 39 times 2. 7. That's crazy. Okay, this does not engulf the previous candle and it respected the previous 5-minute range. So let's see. Close below daily. Cool. Let's see if we can get some volume breaking this high. Looks nice. Entering longs. Break of this high. Stop loss would go below here. Let's see what we can do, bro. We go break even at the top of the range. Nice structure creation. 5 minute respecting previous range as well. Let's see. This next 30 minute would also be pretty nice. If we can make some 5 minute, 1 minute structure here and then close below all this, it would be even better.
Order filled.
Not the best, Phil. I would expect us to get to this top of this range, though. Got triggered. I would expect us to get at least to the top of this range so we can go break even and see if it wants to fill the rest of this range to the left. I am bullish on the day. Let's see if we can get some volume, bro. Need some volume in here. Re-breaking its own high, it looks pretty nice. What's gold doing? Nothing much on gold yet. I don't like how we're just chilling. It's like at this previous level, we're struggling. But it's been crossed through twice on the hourly. I'd expect it to get broken through. I want to see some volume come in. I don't like how we're about to change structure. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. Still close respecting structure, but 5-minute change of structure. Ain't that some shit? Damn, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, that's unfortunate. I don't know, bro. It followed my plan. It followed my idea. If this loses, I don't know. I just have to pray this is just a retest. But I mean, I don't know. 30's about to close. If 30 closes bearish, that's not going to be good. Like, this could very much well just... We're going to see. We are going to see. I have a strong feeling this might just break through. Yeah, bro. Fuck, dude. Is there any way I can get out at entry, bro? If there's a way I can get out at entry, that'd be crazy. Or near entry. Because gold's setting up now. Oh my gosh. This is nasty. I hate how trading works sometimes, bro. I definitely see this hitting my stop loss. I'm not gonna lie. Just the way we're moving right now. It doesn't look good, bro. I don't like how the 30 minutes about to respect 30-minute resistance. Yeah, it's not looking too hot, bro. And then gold wants to give the fucking cleanest setup ever. Can this wick up a little more?
Order filled.
Cool. All right. So now I have $300 to play with for gold. I'll close that trade early. If it ends up going to break even, that's fine. This gold setup's too good. I'd rather just take this. This is my last trade of the day. I need a top wick. Enter break of low. NQ's probably going to hit stop loss anyway. Watch. As soon as I want to close, it might just retrace all the way back up. But look, this is what I see as my chance to make back some of what I've already lost. This is a good setup. And yeah, it made the top wick and broke the low, bro. Is it gonna fully retrace, hit my stop loss? Is that what we're doing? Or is that what we're doing today? We're just giving Oos hella losses? We dead ass? Yeah, so if I could recover some of these losses, bro, it would be nice. Let's see if we can reflip.
Order filled.
Re-break of its law, enter. God damn, bro. I'm getting cooked today. Wow. Wow. Thanks, NQ. I appreciate it. I really do. Get closer to my entry as soon as I close the trade. Not when I'm in it.
Prediction not one, not two. See how you're not getting one body like they didn't.
Snackers making the video to post right now. He's posting in a second. We'll see. We'll probably see what volume it does.
Only 90 calories and
Got two more.
This is an exclusive for.
do not. Yo. Oh my god. Are you guys okay?
163 missing children have been found during a Florida-led operation that is now being called one of the largest child recovery efforts in United
Do not be. Yo. Oh my god.
It is okay to make money. You should want to. 2 grams of protein in a
Today's the last day of the vegan.
I only have like $100 left on this, so if it breaks the low, I'm gonna just fucking send it. But on the other account, I'm actually using Papa Riz. On this one, at least.
I'm Soldier Boy and I'm playing Triumph Arcade.
Someone on TikTok messed up, and now these are on a clearance sale. You might not know what these are. They're the viral magnetic chargers everyone is after. They lightly attach to your phone.
Order filled. Order filled.
I might as well just let this one ride, bro. Just let it ride. And then on my actual eval, take this serious. Let's see.
Order filled.
Let it ride. And then this is my actual thing. There's two different accounts on one. One's like barely salvageable, and this one is like actually I'm doing. See, this is the setup, bro. Fuck NQ. Look at that shit. This is the one, bro. Honestly, don't care about this account anymore. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna let this one fucking see if this one wants to just run. Okay, 15. And then I'm just trying to make back what I lost, some of what I lost on this one. This retraces at all. I'm stopped out. I'll just lose the account. I really don't care about this one. It's in so much hell, debt. That doesn't really matter anymore. It's kind of not really that salvageable. Yeah, I'm gonna let this one rock. I'm gonna let this one rock out. Probably not that much. But yeah, I don't really care about this account. It's really this one I care about. After we break this low, I could adjust stops. broke that low.
That was the idea. Straight up, I'm fucking exhausted and everything in between already, bro.
NQ was a shit show today, bro. Look at that shit. Oh my god.
Yeah, the market is buns. Oh gosh, it is 10 minutes to 10 o'clock. Guys, should I do something crazy and walk away from my computer with no stop loss?
Yeah, it's probably gonna
This is trading.
retest. This account's probably gone. Not gonna lie. Unless it does some crazy shit. Long rejection wicks from the downside though. I don't know. You never know though. You never know. Definitely feel like I'm cooked on this little 50K I have though. I mean, my stops are literally the place it's gonna retest if it's gonna retest. And we have a 1 minute change of structure. I'm gonna just let it though. I really don't care for this account anymore.
Order filled.
Yeah, literally breaking its own high, I'd rather just lose the account. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie to you, cuz. Not gonna lie to you. Oh, yes, please do it. Can we break down some more here? Can we just tank? That'd be sick. think it rebroke that low. Should see some volume. I mean, we're gonna see. Now is not a crazy time to go to break even on this account. And this one, I'm gonna just let it do whatever. We do have that 1 hour about to open in 5 minutes too. I expect this to at least test here. I'll put it at the high. It's pretty much a break even. This 1 hour is about to open. Let's see, let's see. Oh, there's a previous daily here too. So we're in a high liquidity area right now. Don't really think I should lose the trade in any way. Oh, this is about to end really good or really bad for me right now. Oh, shit. Oh, I mean, worst case, I end the day 800 minus 800. But this 1 hour is about to open, and oh, shit. It's about to give us a direction. Well, there's the 1 hour. What are we gonna do? can't do Nathan.
Hey, y'all good?
Our most loved bundle has been left in the dust.
Лионель Месси – лучший игрок.
I haven't sweat from my armpits in probably 5 months. People think that I'm wearing carbs. I've never worn my life. They're always like, today's the last day of the biggest sale of the year.
Dice on the Las Vegas trip tonight. Slip that on and remind us, dice.
Cash flow, not producing.
Oh, it's a hard day.
When I drop the price, you didn't buy when I'm offering. Chain bros at physique check. You good? Even though they're both from Linux, sucker free asleep.
Uber One student.
His house was in the way.
How better cow?
Not get this adjustable workout weight bench and
Wow. Wow. You're finally your own boss.
Fucking NQ. Ain't that some shit? He's probably gonna tap me out. Yeah. GG's.
Order filled.
I'll let this one rock. I ain't gonna lie.
Got some strawberries. Got some bananas. Got some protein powder.
I'm gonna end the stream. I'm gonna just let this one ride out. It was good shots today. Good shots today. I'm done though. Peace, peace, peace.